Hey guys, so a lot of people always ask me how I'm able to get that perfect quote unquote glow hour look in most of my selfies that I post on Instagram. So I decided to make a little tutorial for you guys so that you know how to achieve that look as well. So the first thing that I usually do is I go to VSCO Cam. I'm pretty sure you guys all know what that is because it's really popular. It's just if you don't know what it is, it's just a photo editing app that you can download for free in the App Store. So yeah, I go to VSCO Cam and then I just usually select the photo that I'd like to edit, obviously. And yeah, so let me select it. Okay, so after it uploads, well, first, this is actually how the second edit came out. Or the first edit came out. This is the original photo. The original photo looks like this, kind of pale and like unsaturated and whatnot. And this is how the first edit came out the first time. So in order to go from this first into this second edit, I turned up the temperature. Actually, I think I turned down the temperature. Yeah, I turned down the temperature to negative zero point 0.4. And then I played around with the HSL, which is all the way at the end. And then I kept it on the red dot setting, and then I moved down the lightness all the way to -6. I moved up the saturation to 3.7, and I moved up the hue to 2.6. And then after playing around with the HSL, I went to the sharpen area. The sharpen is basically just what makes the photo look a little bit more clear or more enhanced, I guess. So I went to the sharpen, I think I turned it up I turned it up to 0.2. And yeah, I went from this to that. So after that, I clicked save, obviously, and then I saved it to my camera roll and whatnot. So yeah, just save, blah, blah, actual size, yeah, so it's saving. And then after clicking save, I go here at the top right and I click add, or the add button. And then I just re-upload the photo and I basically start the editing process all over again. So after I started the editing process all over again, it basically goes from the photo that I just edited to this. And this is the photo that I liked, and this is basically the end result. But as you can see, it went from this, which is what I got in the beginning, to this. So in order to go from this to this is what I did. So I went to the exposure setting, which is basically AKA brightness, and I turned it down to negative 2.5, which is, yeah, right there. And then I went to temperature, and I turned it down to negative 1.5. So it's at negative 1.5. And then I went to saturation, and then I turned it up to 0.4. Saturation is right here, the little moon thing. And then I turned up the HSL. So basically I did the exact same, or almost the exact same thing that I did for the first edit. I did it basically the same thing for the second edit, but a little bit different with the HSL. The HSL, I kept it on, instead of keeping it on the red dot setting like I did for the first edit, I moved it over to the orange dot setting so that I could get that more glowy effect. So I kept the hue at 0, and I turned the saturation up just a tiny bit, up to 0.4, and then I turned down the lightness to negative 1.9 instead of 6, like in the last one. And then I don't remember if I did anything with the sharpen again. No, I didn't. So yeah, honestly, that's basically it. It's really simple, but yeah, that's kind of how you get your photos from unsaturated, pale looking things. Wait, let me make sure I'm still recording. Okay. Yeah, that's how you get your photos from like unsaturated, pale looking, unenhanced photos to like a brighter, more vibrant looking, glowy type selfie. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting more tutorials and whatnot on this YouTube channel, especially coming this summer. I'm gonna have so much free time. I mean, like, I'll be working and whatnot, but, like, I'm really gonna get back into YouTube again and stuff like that. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and let me know what type of videos I should be posting besides videos like this. Bye, guys. Mwah!